Hey guys, how are you? So in this video we're going to animate this super cute Pokeball, and actually we're going to learn how to animate any ball. Stay with me and let's get started. So we have our Pokeball, and if you're interested to see how I made this Pokeball from zero, how the design process is going, you can check my last tutorial that I made. I will leave you here a link to the design video, because in this video, of course, we're going to speak about animation and not about design. I know you are disappointed, but I don't care. So first of all, I think sketch about what we want to do. The first frame that I want to do is make the ball still on the ground. Now, the second one, we're going to create to this ball anticipation. Another frame that the ball is stretched. Then, of course, we need the main frame that the ball is in the air, slowing down, start to fall again, and actually the opposite, that the ball is touching the ground. So this is the basic method that I'm going to do. Now let's create it. So before the ball is jump, I think it will be very nice, made for him some anticipation. Now you sit in your home and you ask, what is anticipation? I don't know. I'm joking. So if you, for example, see this pen, if I want to move it from right to left, I can do it like that. Or the other option, I can do it hop and hop. Okay, so this is anticipation, this part, that the pen is prepared to go to the other side. So the same we can do with our Pokeball. So we're going to step one frame forward. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to take all this ball, smash him a little bit. We have to remember that all this pixel can't just disappear. We have to compensate from the bottom. If you scale this down like this, we have to also a little bit some width scale. And I also want, we feel that the ball is touching on the ground. So here, I can just need to fix a little bit things, fill this part. It's not have to be exactly like I'm doing. If you have a different ball, you have to remember that any ball is act like a little bit different. The best thing to do is actually to save some reference of jumping ball and see how it's look like. Okay, let's go another frame, and I want to exaggerate even more the squash. So I'm going to take this and take it one step close to the floor, and this is good result. You can try a different version until you're happy from what you see, but look what's happened now. Okay, if I go one frame forward, we can feel the smash on the ground. In the next frame, we just need to do the opposite, okay? Because if we smash something on the ground, now we need to squash it before it go out and jump. So we can do exactly the same thing, just stretch it and shrink it from the sides. But this is, look, not like something that I want to show. So I'm going to fix it a little bit. And now, give me some drums. Don't give me nothing. Our next frame is the ball in the air, how much it's going to jump, and this is something that we need to fit. Before that, I'm going to use my first frame and just copy, and now we can just move him up a little bit, maybe something like this, and we can just go to all our frame and feel how it's going to look like, okay? It is start to feel like good process. Okay, so after our ball is in the air, I want to give him another extra frame that is just slow down a little bit, maybe to smash him also. Think of that when you throw something to the air, we have our gravity, okay? It's not a physics lesson, but this is something very, very important, because when it go up, it's all the time going to slow down until it's fall again. So let's create another frame from the moment that is in the ground. It's go up, slow down, falling down. This should be here. Now I want to add something very cool that's called smear. Smear is actually when object is moved so fast, we can see like weird stretch frame. We can see it all the time in cartoon. Look on this weird example, but this is one frame that the character is moved so fast with his hand or maybe she just run or hit something. And I wanted to do exactly the same things in our Pokeball. Go the next frame, this part, and until here, or maybe shrink it a little bit. And just fill the empty part. Okay, see? Now it's look interesting. And when it's going to touch the ground, actually maybe we can copy our second frame that is already smashed on the ground and try to use it. Maybe it's fork. If you can save your time somehow, we can copy another frame. It can be from a different project. Do it, why not? Time is money, money is time, and the life is never mind. Go to the second frame and copy to there. It's touching the ground and is need to smash it somehow. Before I'm going to change our ball to be normal, I want to make another one extra frame to give him the time to stand up. I will take the next frame and just shrink it a little bit, like that. And just stretch it up, and that, you see, is touching the ground. Another frame before he gets straight, and the last part we can just copy our first frame. Let's see our result. Okay, sweet. Okay, we can actually make more frame in the end. Stay a little bit before it jump again. Okay guys, so this is it, this is my animation. Please let me know what you think on that, and if you have any question you can write me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe the Academy, and if you want to share with me some ideas or project you can send me in Discord group. I will see you next time.